All right, got a quick one. This just showed up. It's a 600 watt macerating flow pump toilet for basements or whatever you're going to use it for. I just want to show you how it showed up. I'm pretty happy with the condition it arrived in. It wasn't all beat up, but there you go. We'll just check out how this was shipped and how it looks. So first things first, right here we got the R8 two-piece toilet. My fingers are dirty, I was raking leaves, but got a warranty card. You got a welcome booklet. Sweet, very cute. All right, anyways, let's get to this thing. Packaged nicely. Old style foam, but it's in here good, in a good way. It's not going to cause a mess. Here's your pump. Let's go ahead and open it, I guess. It's a normal 3-prong grounded plug. Let's see if we can get this lid off. Now, I'm not gonna mess with this because it's still new. You got your macerator in there, chopping it up. Here's your pump. Again, I'm not gonna, this is brand new. So there's your pump. Everything looks to be in good shape. Was a little dusty, but who cares? Here's the toilet tank. Nice weight to it. Look at that, comes with all the guts. That's nice. Bottom of your tank, pretty standard stuff there. Got all this jammed in. Pipe fittings and such. Let's see if this can bust it grows. All right. Here's the rest of it. You see in there? That's how it comes packed. Gotta love it. Here's your tank lid. Your toilet seats in here. Nice elongated. Good quality here. Happy with that. Here's your poop pipe with the flange there. Gonna leave it. And you got your, this would be your wall fitting. Lots of hardware in there, gotta love that. C-clamps or pipe clamps there. And I don't want to take this out, but I'm gonna just take this off to show how, there we go. All right, I'm not seeing any cracks or any issues with this. Looks like a good quality commode. That should be it. So there you go. Showed up in great shape. Can't wait to get it installed.